Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video is going to be very important, especially for if you are looking for a remote job, freelancing opportunity, or any AI related project. So today we are going to talk about the xAI. Yes, the same company backed by Elon Musk, and honestly, I personally believe this platform has the potential to compete with the OpenAI and ChatGPT in upcoming time, because if you are on Twitter, so you can get this what I'm saying. So first of all, what is a xai? So basically xai is a AI company working on an advanced model similar to ChatGPT. So they are building a different AI system, and one of the biggest advantage is if you are using a Twitter, you already have some access to their ecosystem because they have a grok, and there is a different premium features you can get it. And before moving ahead, and on the X platform there is the feature on a X premium. So after buying that, so you can earn from that. So as far I remember, for a one post or a one tweet, if it gets the 1 million reach, so you can get around 8 to 10 USD around that. So this is the great platform if you are looking for as in the content. If you are posting on Instagram or anything, so you should must try the X platform. Okay, but in this video I'm not sharing that. So we are here to talk about how you can get the job and the projects. Okay, so before I show you the process, let me tell you something very honestly. If you are not getting a project, then something is wrong. So I received a lot on DMs on the Telegram, even on WhatsApp. The project is not active, I have applied, not received the mail. So guys, there is something you are doing wrong, because at the same time other people are getting the projects and you are not. So there is the possible reason: your resume, the role you are applying for, availability of roles, or how are you applying. So there are many factors, not just luck. You want a personal guidance, step by step help, and the real opportunities, so you can join my YouTube membership. I share real opportunities where I personally apply. I also share what works and what doesn't, so you can get easily project rather than the randomly applying on the XYZ platform. I have already landed project using this method, so that's why I'm sharing this. So also guys, if this video helps you, just hit subscribe. It takes 2 seconds for you, but it helps me create a more such content I explore on a YouTube. So I don't think so anyone are doing this is what I'm doing that. So I'm exploring a lot of on a YouTube when I was applying for the job. So I did not find any good channel. So guys, I'm making it for you, so please comment it. So now let's move to the process. So first go to the official website of the xAI. So you can skip it, but in between I tell something, so it's very important. So if you miss it, so might be you will get the reject on the project as well. So it's up to you. You can skip the video. Then it's a very good interface. Then go to the career and opportunities. Here is the option, and this is the very important. Don't randomly apply to every job. It will not help you to shortlist. Choose the role that matches your background, your skill, or your education. For example, if you are applying for the language role or the subject expert or the technical, so it should be must align with with your resume. So if you are from the USA or a UK, so you will see more opportunities. But don't worry, there are also remote roles available globally. So best option for beginners, if you don't have a strong technical skill, so I recommend applying for the regional language roles and the subject experts role. This is the best thing you can get the project in any company. These have the higher chances of selection and the easier entry. Okay, so I'm sharing the steps so that will help you to get a project. Okay, so here is the lot of remote opportunity. So I'm taking at least one, just like the common for the AI tutor English. Okay, here is the about xAI. So I'm not wasting your time about the role, and this one is important. Responsibilities. So you should must read before applying. And about the basic qualification, it is the basic thing. If your degree, it's enough to apply. And this one is a skills and experience. If you have experience, it's the value added point. And the location, tutor role may be offered as a full-time or a part-time or the contract position depending on the role needs and the candidate's fit. Okay, and the base part I love about the xai, the US based candidates get 35 to 45 USD per hour, and it's not a joke guys, seriously they are paying. and I have worked on the different projects, and legit they are paying a 50 USD per hour. ओके, एंड दिस इज़ द वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स, आई होप ये तुमको आ जाएगा, नाम ऐड करना है, इसमें कुछ रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. द मेन थिंग इज़ योर रेज्यूमे, दिस इज़ द गेम चेंजर. XAI is a very strict and the very selective. So don't use a general resume, make a role specific resume. Example, applying for the economics, so add economics projects, and applying for the language, so highlight language skill. So I'm sure 99% if your resume is good, so you will get shortlisted. I have personally tested this. See, this is the I have applied for the economics expert, and guys, I have tried this in before 1 month ago. Okay, and this is the test I have got from Code Signal. This is the from the xAI. ओके, सो मैं से हवा में बातें करता हूँ नहीं, जिसमें मैंने ट्राई किया है, जनरली मुझे प्रोजेक्ट्स मिले मैं उसी पे बनाता हूँ. अगर मुझे वीडियो बनाना होता तो मैं डेली वीडियोस पोस्ट करता हूँ रैंडमली ऑन प्लेटफॉर्म, तो मेरे वीडियोस भी काफ़ी सिलेक्टेड होते हैं. सो ए होने के बाद ए होने के बाद बैक टू द रिज्यूमे, एंड कवर लेटर इज़ ऑप्शनल. ओके, आर यू करंटली, तो आप अपने हिसाब से कर लेना, इतना कुछ टफ है नहीं है. अगर स्टिल कुछ क्वेरी होती है तो आप कमेंट करो, आई विल हेल्प यू. ओके ओके ओके, पोर्टफोलियो है आपका तो वेल एंड गुड, यू मस्ट ऐड, क्योंकि उससे हेल्प करेगा शॉर्टलिस्ट होने में. एंड द मेन थिंग इज़ द लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. इफ़ यू हैव नहीं यार, आपका होना ही चाहिए, इफ़ नहीं है तो बनाओ एंड एड इट हियर. एक्स प्रोफाइल इज़ ऑप्शनल, कर सकते हो. सो एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज़ नेवर गिव अ फेक इन्फॉर्मेशन हियर. एक्स ए आई है तो काफ़ी टफ नहीं, बट वाइल ऑनबोर्डिंग दे वेरीफाई द ID and as well other documents, so don't fake any. Okay, and here is the what exceptional work have you done. इसको भी चैट जीपीटी मत करना. ओके, थोड़ा खुद से भी टाइप करो. एंड हैव यूर वर्क विद अस बिफोर, इसमें तो भाई ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. हैव यू वर्क विद अस बिफोर, इसमें नो ही करना है. अगर आपने किया तो भाई अप्लाई मत करो. Okay, so are you currently working with any of the following companies? And this is the very interesting question. This is the competitor of the xAI, OpenAI, Anthropic, Scale AI, Invisible, जो कि मैंने इस पे वीडियोस बनाई है ऑलरेडी. Stability, character, it's not available in India region and Asia region, I know. 11 Labs is the great platform. So here is one important thing. If you have work any of them, so guys don't apply it. So directly reject कर देते हैं, जहाँ तक कि मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया. So I do not have experience with the above, इस select करके submit कर दो. So this is important, don't mess this up. Now the main part is after applying, once you submit you will receive an email, usually within a 1 day or something longer. Now back to the xAI. You guys see here is a lot of opportunity and might be you will confuse कहाँ पे करना है कहाँ पे नहीं करना है, and mostly you guys end up with the no project. So I'm sharing this trick, it will help you to get a project. Before applying for the any role, must try to check on a LinkedIn or the any platform they are hiring for this role. If they are actually hiring, so must apply for that position only. So there is the high chances you will get the projects. I tried this and I got this. So मैं मोस्टली मैं प्रीमियम इसमें बताता हूँ. सो आई थिंक आपको भी थोड़ा हेल्प करेगा, दैट्स वाई आई एम शेयरिंग, क्योंकि यहाँ पे काफ़ी रोल्स है, 252 ओपन रोल्स है. तो ऐसे रैंडमली आप ऐसे आँख बंद करके कहीं पे नहीं कर सकते हो. उनके पास भी लिमिटेड अपॉर्चुनिटी है, ऐसे सभी को हायर नहीं करते, वो भी शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं. तो इसलिए मैंने बताया कि जहाँ पे एक्टिव प्रोजेक्ट्स है और जहाँ पे मास हायरिंग है, सो यू शुड ट्राई देयर इज़ अ हाई चांसेस ऑफ सिलेक्शन. So now the important thing is assessment process. The test is very simple. 5 easy questions, 1 or 2 videos responses, record yourself करना होता है. And based on your role, language roles में कुछ language based question रहेंगे, and subject role में subject based questions रहेंगे. So people always ask me for answer, but guys 99% people don't even subscribe. So I will not share answer here. So guys, if you want answers, subscribe it and comment down, I will share the answer. Joke apart. So after the test, you will get the confirmation email. Later the onboarding email come. Okay. Now the सबसे important चीज़ होती है वो है भाई इतना करके पैसे कितना मिल रहा है. भाई तुम्हारे पास स्किल है ना, तो डेफिनेटली पैसे तो आ ही जाएंगे. तो थोड़ा स्किल्स को अपग्रेड करो. सॉरी फॉर एक्स्ट्रा कैन. एंड दी एज फॉर आई नो लैंग्वेज रोल अराउंड द 40 USD पर आवर देता है. चलो चेक ही कर लेते हैं. I'm not sure about that. So just see for the Bengali language, and I hope 45-30 USD तो देते ही है. 35 and 45 hour. Okay, and this is I guess for the original language, and for the other roles around 50 USD per hour you can expect. And yes, it is actually the very good. So moving to the final verdict, so overall XA is a great platform, high paying, competitive, but requires smart strategy before applying and after applying as well. Thanks for watching, guys.